We're back. Do you know how long it's been? You thought I would just disappear? No, I'm here. I've been grinding behind the scenes. I have been grinding behind the scenes. I have been trying to figure stuff out behind the scenes. Especially to bring to you guys. Especially to bring to you guys. I'm just trying to contribute of what I know to my life when it comes to my financials, when it comes to investing, because this is super important. I feel like my life is changing, like, while I'm doing this, while I'm speaking into you guys, and because while I'm speaking to you guys, I feel like I'm speaking to myself too. So I'm just learning so much as we go, and I'm gonna start off to say this. I kind of skipped a week or two when it came to posting a video with you guys because I've been trying to figure stuff out. And when it comes to this options trading, I've been trying to figure stuff out when it comes to options trading. I haven't been having a good week, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to stop talking to you guys. I'm here with you all, and I will continue to drop and spread the knowledge I know. And you guys will also learn with me, because I've been this past week, the way I've been losing is crazy. The way I've been losing these trades is absolutely insane. But at the end of the day, the market owes you nothing. The market is going to do what the market does. The market is going to do what the market does. It's just a machine, man. So I just take it like that. I stick to my trading plan regardless of what happens, if it comes in my favor or not. But I have realized the stocks I have been trading, options wise, they're good. They're good stocks when it comes to balance sheet. Little to no debt. Their evaluation. Little, like, just all that stuff. But nobody talks about them. It's in the semiconductor field. It's in the tech field, but nobody really talks about them, right? So nobody really talks about them. So I'm barely getting any volatility when it comes to the market and the stock. So what am I doing wrong? And it's just like it's destined to get whacked before it goes up. And when it does get whacked, when that stock does get whacked, I'm already down like 50% like the next couple days already. And that's part of my trading strategy. If I'm down 50%, I close the trade, because you don't want to lose 100% at all. So I'm already down 50%. I might as well just close the trade. But guess what? As soon as I close the trade, man, why every time I close the trade, the next day or two, it just flips right up and hits my TP. It's every time I close the trade. It's every stock that I traded that I lost to. It did this. Each one did this. Each trade I closed, the next day or two, it literally just had a huge turnaround and went to the upside. And it always does it when I'm putting in a call. It did this with XOM, ExxonMobil. It did this with Land Research. Yeah, it did that with Land Research. We were looking in this trade for like a week or two. It did that with RMBS, and it also did that with TSCM, which is a tower semiconductor manufacturer in Israel. But I did take like 30% of that, but it did that with that also. It did that with Marvel, which is a semiconductor chip design company. Like, what is going on? Like, why every time I'm selling the clothes, the market automatically turns around? So I'm like, I was like, all right, is anybody even really talking about these stocks anyway? Is anybody even talking about these? So I'm moving towards the bigger stocks now, where there's way more volume. So right now, my portfolio is not looking good. I'm down right now. I'm not down a lot, but I am down in the month right now. Because I would have been down way more if I didn't stick to my strategy. So that's why you have to have an exit plan. And I had an exit plan for each one. And I am down. But I'm currently in a call right now for Nvidia because it had a fat pullback. And oh my gosh, I had to budge in and take that trade, man. So I am in that call. I am currently up 40%. I'm up 40% right now. And honestly, I'm not closing the trade till I see 100%. Until it hits my TP, based on my market analysis, based on my trading plan. Because this thing has so much room to move to the upside. And like literally yesterday, I put in a trade for Nvidia, and then this morning the trade executed, and then in the next 20 minutes I was up 40%. So I'm definitely not closing the trade. I need to see 100%. So like I said, I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to stare at it. The market is going to do what the market does. At the end of the day, I will accept the risk. I will accept all of the risk. I'm confident in my trade. So that's what you guys need to be mindful of when you're trading. You need to be confident in your trade. You need to be consistent in what you do. Stick to your trading plan. Especially when it's downs and ups and downs. You have to stick to your trading plan. Do not switch anything. If you're going to switch anything, make that switch improvement. Make it better than what it was before. Otherwise, do not switch anything, please. So, that's what's going on right now. And I could show you the play I'm in right now. So, yeah, let's do that. I am currently up 40% already. Bro, this has so much room to grow. It's in the uptrend. It's bullish. Nvidia is literally carrying the market. So it has so much room to grow. Earnings is next week, unfortunately, but it's going to crush it. I'm not worried about earnings at all. Nvidia is going to kill it, man. So, yep, this is my trade. Right now, I have plenty of time, and I have to be mindful, right? I have to be mindful of this one thing. This one thing that's very important is that rate cuts happens next month, September. It's currently August 22nd now. August 22nd now. So we have some time. But rate cuts happens in September. So everything's going to get cut. Nvidia is going to drop for sure. But I know we could get one more bullish drop before that happens. Like for sure. And we're already up right now. So like I said, earnings happens next week, and Nvidia is gonna kill it for the time being. But also, if you haven't invested into Nvidia, definitely invest into Nvidia. Nvidia is at a 4 trillion evaluation. If you can get you shares of Nvidia, please do as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Like no other stock is doing this right now. Like Nvidia is literally the Michael Jordan of the stock market. You have to do this. You have to invest in Nvidia. Like I have shares of Nvidia, and I had to put in a call for it. And honestly the options calls for it is they're expensive. They're expensive for a reason. It's so much volume for Nvidia. It's so much volume in Nvidia. So yeah, You have to, man. Learning. And I know it's a lot of you watching that may know way more than me. So, like I said, this is the beginning of my options trading journey. So, um, I'm just showing you what I've experienced, what I'm experiencing, and what could potentially happen in my trades. And yeah, I just hope you're here for the ride.